everyone, welcome to another lesson. And in today's lesson, we'll be scoring the song So We I by Hillsong. So I'll be playing it in the key of C, and we'll be breaking it in parts. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, and if you're old here, welcome back. So let's start with the intro. Sorry. So the intro is the 4, the 6, the 5, the 4, the 6, the 5, the 4, the 6, the 5, the 4. Then we have the first verse. God of creation, they are the start before the beginning of time. With no point of reference, He spoke to the dark and fleshed out the wonders of light. So that part we have before. 6, 5, 4, 6, 5, 4, 6, 5, 4. Then we have the 1/3 and the 5. Then the chorus. And as you speak, 100 billion galaxies were born, in the vapor of your breath, a planet formed. And the stars were made to worship, so yeah. I can see your heart in everything you've made. Every bone is stirred, you see the fire of grace. If creation sings your praises, so yeah. Now, the verses happen to have the same chord progression. Also, the chorus also have the same chord progression. So the breakdown for the chorus, we have and as you want 100 billion 6, the 5, in the vapor of your 1/3 to the 4. If the 6, the 5, the 1. I can see your heart in every 6, the 5. Every bone is stuck with 1/3 to the 4. If creation sings, that's the 6, you're 5, so we want. God of your promise. So still the same chord progression with the same with the verse. God of your promise, you don't speak in vain, the syllable empty or void. For once you have spoken, on nature and science follow the sound of your voice. Then back to the chorus. And as you speak, Alright, so with this we come to the end of this lesson. See you in another lesson.